Hi everyone, this is an explosion. Let's get going onto it now. So then, let's see. 2023 explosion. Just when my bow's not here. Mentos and the Coke. So let's get going. Right, stay back from this because this is kids. Don't do this at home. It's dangerous. They go everywhere. So we're gonna put some Mentos in. Five Mentos. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Like, comment below, subscribe, and if you enjoy this content, we'll do another one. Right. No, didn't. Right. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment below, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video next week. Bye.